Just landed in Bali, having the time of my life. If you're in Nairobi, you know what? You're poor, you don't have money.
Ako Moranga, tuko Gatanga, tu Moranga. Ako Gatanga na nani? Kai!
Headed out to Kanunga Waterfalls yet again. And the reason why I'm going there is just that place is very beautiful, and there's something that I want to tell you by the end of the video, so please make sure you stick around for that. That's part of the reason as to why I'm going today, like the other two falls over there. So we're going to do like 2 different destinations today. So yeah, come with me. Another one. Wait, due to unavoidable circumstances, I was not able to film everything because I was flying the drone. My phone was off at some point. I was the one driving. There were so many factors that contributed to me not filming everything, but there are some few things that I feel like needed to be pointed out, needed to be said. So this guy, the editor, is going to be trying to save the video by doing some commentary, and so just be ready to see my face interrupting your viewing experience, but it's going to be for the good, I promise. So back to the video. Good time for that interruption. It is a 1.5 hour journey from Nairobi to there. For us, we took a little bit more time because we made a stopover, flew the drone over a really cool dam that I saw. I think it's a place that a flower farm. So yeah, things to consider before you get there. You should carry your snacks. The hike is not that heavy, but just make sure you carry comfortable shoes. And yeah, so you're supposed to pay 300 shillings at the entrance. It's quite organized right now. The first time I went there, it wasn't this organized. So it's the community just making sure that they have some few systems to just govern them, and you know, make sure that when people come to Kanunga Waterfall, there is some order at least. So you pay 300 shillings via M-Pesa, and yeah, you are allowed entrance into the waterfall. yet another interruption. This is the hike back, and I promise you the hike going down to the waterfall is not as challenging as coming back up, because you're hiking downhill. That one is not that difficult, but hiking up, you know, going up a hill is way more harder than going down. So yeah, that is one thing you need to realize. But it's not a very far hike. It's just like a 5-10 minute hike maximum if you're not that fit, but it can be like a 3-minute hike if you're really fit and you feel really eager to go and see that waterfall. So we left the Kanunga waterfall, headed to the twin waterfalls, and these twin waterfalls are very beautiful and they have a lot of history. So this is where I was not able to film much, but I did get the drone up and I did get a few shots. These twin waterfalls have really good history. A place called Mamau Caves where we went, but my phone was off. Also, there is the house of Wangari Maathai, the one and only Wangari Maathai, Nobel Peace Prize winner. She used to hide from the injustices of that government at that time when she was pro planting trees. She planted so many trees, making sure that we take care of our environment, and it felt really nice knowing that this is where that much greatness used to live. If you have made it up to here, thank you so much. You are the absolute GOAT. At the beginning of the video, I told you that I was going to give you a reason as to why I went to Kanunga Waterfalls, even though I've been there 6 times before. And I still went yet again. So my friends and I have just opened something. It's an initiative of just taking people places and places to visit. You know, us guys, we have the ability and the capability of being blessed to have the capability and ability to just walk around and just experience the country, but some people don't. So we could do it in numbers. You see, if we do it in numbers, it gets cheaper. So my friends and I decided that we're going to be taking people to this cool destination. If you could be interested in going to places like Kanunga Waterfalls and Twin Waterfalls, you can just hit me up in the comment section, or there's an email if you want to be more discreet and more private. There's an email that I'm going to be pinning down in the description box, and then you can holler at me. So thank you very much for watching. It has been late, it has been fire. Until I see you in the next video, please stay safe and remember to explore the world.